Weeks we have not heard from Angelito Olivas. That is the boyfriend of 22-year-old Zahriya Moreno. He had been out on bail after he was charged with felony domestic violence in connection to her death.
But that all changed earlier today when his attorney spoke in front of news cameras, responding to the Pima County Attorney's Office's decision to dismiss the case without prejudice. News 4 Tucson's Zahriya is live downtown with more on what Olivas' lawyer had to say and reaction from the Moreno family. Jafet.
Sean and Monica, the attorney for Angelito Olivas, says the fight that he had between him and Zahriya Moreno was anything but criminal. But according to the Moreno family, the legal team for Olivas is trying to change the story.
While I'm sure it was a difficult decision for them to make, I believe it was the correct decision.
Christopher Sleppy, the attorney representing 25-year-old Angelito Olivas, is speaking out for the first time since the Pima County Attorney's Office decided to drop the charges against Olivas. Those charges involved felony domestic violence, aggravated assault, and felony endangerment with his then-girlfriend, Zahriya Moreno. Court documents say Olivas told Pima County deputies that on the morning of August 12th, he and Moreno had an altercation here on Alden Road. He then says Moreno jumped in his car while it was moving and fell off. He goes on to say that he picked her up and took her here to the Drexel Heights Fire Station to get help.
It has become apparent to me in recent weeks that Mr. Olivas has already been found guilty by many in the court of public opinion.
Sleppy says he wants the public to withhold any opinion against his client until all the evidence has been presented.
I believe it will show that what happened that morning, while undoubtedly tragic, was not criminal.
I asked Olivas' lawyer about his claim some information was missing from the complaint when Olivas was charged. Besides the interim complaint that he told deputies, the day he was arrested, what can you tell us happened that day?
First of all, I don't know everything that happened that night. I know what my client told me, and I believe my client. I'm not going to discuss what was told to me.
I contacted the Moreno family to get their response to Wednesday's news conference. Their attorney sent a statement saying Angel's defense attorney's statements at the press conference was a clever attempt to manipulate the narrative of the incident to his client's benefits. It went on to say, "We will be relentless in our pursuit of justice for Zahriya." Olivas' lawyer says his client is still going on with his life and that he's still mourning the loss of Zahriya Moreno, a woman he says he loved for a number of years. Live downtown, Zahriya, News 4 Tucson.
To watch the full press conference and to read the full statement from the Moreno family, just head to our website, KVOA.com. A tragic start to a new school year. At least 4 people are dead.